Okay, so let's have a look how to use the tab messaging feature. So once you have made your page, we need to go into the settings and click on tab messaging. All right. Make sure that you enable this and then select the sound that you want to play as a tab message. You can select from the sounds. Let's say I pick this one, okay? And then, you can select the frequency in which you want the sound to play again. So basically, every sound will, play twice, okay? Any sound that you pick, it will play twice. Pick the icon that you want to show over here. I will leave it as it is. And then show the message. Let's say something like, don't forget this. Or maybe, if you want to add a message, something like, let's say, special today, only discount. I'm not sure it's going to show full, so I'm just going to keep it to this. And then I will click on save, okay? And let's publish this. So if you will see, we have opened the same page as it is, okay? But after we have done the tab messaging changes, let's open this published page again. Okay, so let's go to some other page, okay? Let's say if I go to this one and then see the changes that's going to happen. Right. So if you visit any other tab, so this is how it's gonna, attract the attention of your site visitors. So basically, if your site visitors go to any other tab, any other page, so it is gonna attract them. It's gonna, grab their attention, which is gonna bring them back to this, so that you can go back to the page again and your site visitors will not be lost, basically. So it's a wonderful feature, which is gonna bring back your lost traffic. So the people who are already engaged into something else. If you have seen, Facebook has been doing this forever. Facebook keeps bringing you back, showing. It keeps showing you the notifications in the tab or the message notification in the tab. And ultimately, you go back and see the Facebook dashboard again. So similar to this, you can bring back your site visitors just like this.